Can you imagine ordering food, booking a ride, or paying for groceries without ever touching your wallet? It's a reality for millions around the world thanks to digital payment solutions like GrabPay. But here's a question that often pops up. Can I use my credit card for GrabPay? Let's dive in and find out. GrabPay is a digital wallet that simplifies payments across various Grab services, including rides, food delivery, and more. It's a convenient way to manage your transactions in one place. Credit card compatibility. Now, to answer the burning question, yes, you can typically use your credit card to top up your GrabPay wallet. This is a great option for those who prefer the convenience of using their credit card for daily expenses and want to enjoy the benefits of GrabPay. Benefits of using credit card for GrabPay. Points and rewards. Many credit cards offer points or rewards for every transaction. By using your credit card for GrabPay, you can accumulate these points and redeem them for various perks, such as travel miles, gift cards, or merchandise. Purchase protection. Some credit cards come with purchase protection that covers items bought with the card. This can be a valuable benefit if you accidentally damage or lose items purchased through GrabPay. Easy tracking. Using your credit card for GrabPay allows you to track all your transactions in one place on your credit card statement. This can help you manage your finances more effectively and identify any unauthorized charges. Things to consider. Fees. While most credit cards don't charge fees for topping up GrabPay, it's always a good idea to check with your card issuer to confirm. Some cards may have additional fees for foreign currency transactions or international usage. Interest. If you don't pay off your credit card balance in full each month, you may incur interest charges. Be mindful of your spending habits to avoid unnecessary interest costs. Alternative payment methods. While credit cards are a popular option for GrabPay, it's worth noting that there are other payment methods available. You can also top up your GrabPay wallet using cash, bank transfers, or other digital wallets. The best method for you will depend on your personal preferences and financial situation. So, can you use your credit card for GrabPay? The answer is generally yes. It's a convenient way to enjoy the benefits of both GrabPay and your credit card. However, it's important to consider the potential fees and interest charges associated with using your credit card. By understanding the pros and cons, you can make an informed decision about the best payment method for your needs. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any other questions about GrabPay or digital payments, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time.